Today, I'm going to show you how to create an OS map in PNG format that includes 1 meter contours. After signing into your account on MapServe and selecting your address you would like to preview, you need to use the rectangle tool here to select the area you want to purchase. When you're happy with your selection, you can add 1 meter contours here, which is an additional layer to OS MasterMap in CAD format. Click Add to Basket. After making sure that your basket is correct, you can proceed and click on Checkout. You will be directed to a new page where you can immediately download your CAD map. The next step is to launch AutoCAD and open the CAD file containing the map you want to export. Next, you need to navigate to the area of the map you want to export. Use zoom and pan tools to adjust the view if needed. If you want the PNG image to have specific dimensions, set up the viewport accordingly. You can turn off the grid lines by turning off the layer if you do not wish for them to appear on your image. If you need to, you can adjust the position of the map to ensure the map looks the way you want it to. Once you're satisfied with the layout, go to the command area and type PNG out. Click Enter and then specify your output location. Select the destination folder where you want to save the PNG file. Adjust the name if you wish and click Save to generate the PNG image. In the command area, click once at the end and press Enter again. AutoCAD will render the layout as an image and save it in PNG format in the specified location. Once the export process is complete, navigate to the output folder and verify that the PNG file was created successfully. You can now use the PNG image for further editing or sharing as needed.